Alright guys, I'm going to share a quick video with you guys. This is an exclusive you won't see anywhere else. This guy reached out to me and I'm going to read to you what he wrote. I was driving home from work and this happened. Someone told me to send my video to you. I would appreciate it if you could get this video out to the public. This officer harassed me, lied about my infraction, and wrote me a citation with the court date. And here's the video clip, folks.
Alright, yep. Officer Hands of the Binghamton Police Department. Why am I being harassed, sir?
You're being stopped for a simple traffic violation, not wearing
for not wearing my seatbelt. My seatbelt's on.
Your seatbelt is on. When you passed me, it was not on.
That's not true.
I'm asking for
is your supervisor here?
I'm asking for your identification.
Is your supervisor here, Officer Hands? What's your name and badge number?
Trooper Hand, 2543.
2543.
You can call the State Police Barracks, 607-75.
Being harassed just outside the Spot Diner, Binghamton, New York.
I'm gonna have you step out of the car. Okay? You're gonna step out of the car. You're gonna step out of the car.
I'm being harassed. Being harassed.
If you're not going to provide identification with me, you're going to be detained until I can properly ID you.
That's not a problem. Get your supervisor here.
Okay, step out of the car.
Look what he's doing right now. Upper Front Street.
Step out of the car.
Upper Front Street, Spot Diner. I'm being harassed right now by this officer.
Step out of the car. All right?
Get some backup. Get the supervisor. He's harassing me. He's harassing me. She sees me all the time.
Why do you have to do this?
What are you talking about? What do I have to do?
I'm asking for your identification. That's all I'm asking.
Get your supervisor here.
Step out of the car. Come on. Step out of the car.
I'm not going to have you pull me to the ground.
I'm not going to pull you to the ground. You're going to step out of the car.
Video stopping at 120.
Alright folks, let me read to you what it says here. It's ticket season here in upstate New York. They are looking to meet a quota. I was upset because he made an honest mistake by assuming I wasn't buckled up. And instead of just letting me go, he tried saying I put the seatbelt on after he pulled me over and demanded my license. He was written a ticket and summoned to appear in court. Folks, is this what we're paying for as taxpayers? We're paying cops to harass us? That makes absolutely no sense to me. Cops have become like the mafia. They're out there extorting the people with so many unsolved crimes. A whole bunch of episodes of cold case files because cops are incompetent. Uvalde, Texas should be a wake-up call for everyone. Cops are not here to protect the people. DeShaney v. Winnebago, Castle Rock v. Gonzalez, those case laws remind us that cops are only here to protect themselves. So you mean to tell me that we as taxpayers are paying cops to protect themselves? Please help me understand that because I don't get it. I want to thank you guys for reaching out to us, sending us your exclusive videos from New York all the way to California, everywhere in between. You guys know who's here to help this community grow. If you guys have videos you want us to look at, send them to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. Give us as much information as possible. And with that being said, thank you all for tuning in. Have yourselves a blessed day. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.